أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today inshallah we are going to do the i'rab of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is mustahab to recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim at the beginning of any good deed. So let's start inshallah. Ba is harf here and it is harf of jar. We are going to recognize each and every word that either they are harf, ism or fail. So ba here is harf and it is harf of jar. Ismi here you can see that Hamzatul Wasl is dropped here. As for Hamzatul Wasl, we drop it while recitation and we are but when we are joining it in the written form. But when we join two words, but there are some words in which this Hamzatul Wasl is dropped in the written form as well. Sometimes it is only in the recitation, but sometimes in the when it is written, it is dropped as well. So here, this example is Bismi, where the Hamzatul Wasl of Ism is dropped with the harf of Jar. We are dropping this Hamzatul Wasl. So Ba is harf of Jar, Ismi is Majroor because of this harf of Jar. And it is Mudaf as well. We can see here there is no tanween, no al attached with it. Allah Lafz al Jalala, it is the Mawsoof here, and it is, we can see it is in the Halat Jar, it is in the state of Jar, and it is an Ism. But there is another reason for being it a harf of Jar, and it is as this is the Mawsoof. Its sifas are Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. They are both Ism. Ar-Rahman is the first sifa and Ar-Rahim is the second sifa. And this is the Mawsoof. Mawsoof and sifa becomes the fragment and it is Murakkab Tawsifi. It is the Mawsoof and sifa fragment. So here now we'll see that why this Allah Lafzul Jalala is majroor here. We know that this ism is the mudaf here. So this Allah Lafz al-Jalala becomes the mudaf ilayhi for ism. So this is mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. And again, this is mawsoof and its sifas, two sifas are sifa awwal is ar-Rahman and sifa sani is ar-Rahim. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This whole is now this B becomes a jar and this whole fragment becomes a majroor for the harf of jar ba. So this is jar majroor and it is it now is the mutalik because we know that the jar majroor fragments are mutalik to some fail or we know that it's in file or maful. So here the ism, we know that it's majroor because of the harf of jar. Allah lafzul jalala. It is majroor because it is the mudaf ilayh. So these are two reasons for being them or that they are majroor. This because of harf of jar and this because of the idafa fragment. So now this majroor mudaf and mudaf ilayh, this is murakkab idafi and this whole construction is mutalik. And we know that the fragment jar majroor is mutalik to something, but we cannot see its mutalik. We cannot because sometimes we have already have some fail or some file or anything before the mutalik, but here we do not see any thing before it. So, but according to the mufassirin, there is a hidden fail. We call it the fail mahzuf behind it or before it, to which it's mutalik. So it can be see here, it can be three fail and they are all fail mudari. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This whole mutalik fragment, the jar majroor fragment is mutalik, can be mutalik to these three words. These three fail mudari. Akra'u, abtadi'u, and ashra'u. Akra'u, I read, or and abtadi'u. This is I start or I begin. Ashra'u, the same I start or begin. So here this whole ayah is, you can say, mutalik to one of these three fail mahzoof. So here now Um, let's do the translation in the name of Allah, the Rahman and the Rahim. I start with the name of Allah, Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most Rahman and the most Rahim. So this is the translation. Also note that this akrau, aktadiu, or ashra'u, here we know that ana is the mere file here. This is also inside a doer, and it is so hence this is all mutalik to the mahzoof, these three. So this whole sentence we can say it is manan jumla inshaiya and lafzan jumla failure khabariya. So we can call this with this akrau, aktadi or ashrau. This is jumla failure khabriya. Or manan, this is jumla inshaiya. And this whole construction, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, this is majroor fragment. This is all mutalik to one of this file which has the file ana hidden inside it. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.